I grew up in a beautiful garden, so my mum was always in the garden and I was always out there picking flowers for her friends and for myself, and from there grew a massive passion for floristry. Training and education is so important for the industry. Although we might make a nice bunch before we begin, it's so important to know the caring, preparation techniques, the costing methods behind how to charge for your arrangements, and there's so many different factors that in a training facility that you'll learn and be able to then use throughout your career. My favourite thing about being a teacher is seeing them on their first week and struggling to wrap a single rose, to the end of year display when they've made this amazing bridal display, and the complexity of that compared to the first week, how far they've grown. So it's very rewarding.